In this C-Flush video, we will show how to test and replace a float switch. If you're testing a shower sump pump, put the breaker in the on position. If you're testing a bilge pump, put the switch in the auto position. These settings will provide constant 12-volt power to the float switch. From there, to test the switch, simply lift it up and listen for the bilge pump motor. Obviously, the float switch on the right side has a problem. To troubleshoot the bilge pump float switch, we're going to use a pin to complete the circuit and provide power to the Rule 800 bilge pump. We will start by pushing the needle completely through one of the two wires, shown here in slow motion. Next, we will push the tip of the needle through the other wire, which will complete the circuit as the switch normally would when it's lifted up by water. The sound of the motor running confirms that the switch is broken and needs to be replaced. We will complete this job using wire fittings, a screwdriver, wire cutters, wire strippers, wire crimpers, electrical tape, and of course the new float switch. We will start by cutting out the old wires associated with the broken float switch. Then use a screwdriver to remove the mounting screws at the base of the float switch. The new switch has a removable base which we can remove before installing. Use the screws and screwdriver to secure the new base in place. And lastly, snap the new switch in place. The gray wires from the float switch are already stripped, so we just need to use the appropriate size butt-end wire connector. Yes, that's what they're called. In this case, the red one fits the wire correctly, so we'll slide it onto the wire and then use the red-handled wire crimper to crimp the fitting onto the wire. Then do the same thing for the other wire. We will then connect one of the gray wires to the brown wire that goes directly to the pump. The brown wire has insulation on it, so we'll use the wire strippers to expose the copper end. Next, connect the brown wire to one of the two gray wires. It doesn't matter which wire you connect because float switches are not directional when it comes to the flow of electricity. After crimping both sides of the connection, tug on the two wires to make sure it's secure. We continue by stripping and crimping the red positive wire. Again, we check that the crimped connection is secure. With the sump pump breaker back in the on position, we lift the float switch to make sure that it's working. Lastly, use electrical tape and zip ties to secure and elevate the wires. For more information on cleaning and winterizing the raw water systems of engines, generators, and air conditioners, visit cflush.com or see our other YouTube videos.